Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's have this example. Writing about things you can and can't do.
I can do many things, but I can't do everything. I can speak 2 languages, Arabic and English. I can cook well, and I often make dinner for my family. I can't swim, but I want to learn. I can also drive a car, but I can't ride a bicycle. On weekends, I can clean the house and fix small things. I like trying new things, even if I can't do them yet.